I don't know what kind of shit. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade that until next week. I'm gonna come back next week with that. I'm not even gonna trade that. Thought I muted this already. Hmm. You can just hear it now. And these stupid notifications are freaking stupid. This is stupid. I don't want these notifications. Yeah, it seems like for whatever reason, the gamma data doesn't even load anymore. You know what, gold? That's absolute craziness, man. That is absolute craziness. It's like now the gamma level is like I don't understand why that's not working. Like the one thing that I absolutely care about is the whole reason why I even purchased this damn thing. It's it's not it's not working. There's not enough dark pool information to render. Mm. And all I was looking for was 90 ticks, and this thing was trying to steal that away from me. All I was looking for was 90 ticks.
Order field.
Oh shit, what am I doing? Like, why does it look like that? It's not even using. It's not even using it. And that's what's crazy. It's not even using anything. It's a freaking Brave browser. Mm. Mm. Maybe. Shit, this is kind of. I guess I'm up over 20, 30 points right now. 20 points. Mm. Man, that was a great gold trade right there. Great gold trade. We got in at that area of support. We basically came all the way back to this area of potential resistance right here. We'll see if the market actually holds, honestly. We'll see if it holds here. I mean, I doubt it. I don't have any faith in the bears to do the right thing and short that supply, but we'll see. Could be an opportunity on silver to get in on a pullback. Let's see if I can. That was definitely a breakup structure. I need to pay attention to any. I wonder why this thing is taking up so much. Eating up so much data. All right, so let's see. I'm going to trade this potential break and retest right here. We'll see if we'll see. We got the market breaking structure here, and I'm looking for a potential retest of that area. That's what I'm looking for in this trade right here. I think I should be good. I think I should be good here. Hopefully. Hey, what's up, Alfred? So, yeah, you know. All right. I guess that's just how I should look at it right there, right? Okay, let me look. Man, silver. Silver. That doesn't make sense. You know what, Alfred? Today has definitely been man, today's I don't know. I don't know what's going on this week. Oh yikes. Hmm. But gold definitely tested my emotional resolve today. My emotional resolve was definitely tested today. Definitely.
Yo, who you telling? I missed everything.
Really.
Everything. Oh my gosh. I mean, I caught a small slither of this pump, but like I had planned out everything and I still failed to execute.
Yeah. What happened?
Like I was by initial shorts. It didn't work until like 2 o'clock. That's when the shorts decide to work. And then I was like, you know what? Dang, since it's not shortened, I guess they want to take this higher then. F it, I'll flip long. Went long, then got clapped. And watching it hit all the targets and levels that I had from earlier in the night, I was like, oh my gosh.
Yeah. That shit sucks.
And then I was like, okay, if we get down here, this is an area that I want to go long at in the 30s. 330, whatever. Then it gets to 338. I'm like, what am I doing? I did not execute. Oh, this is like the worst. Everything, I don't know. I don't know what happened.
Is it because, well, you're copy trading, right? You think maybe that's what it is?
Nah, I don't. It's that first miss. Like I was short, and I was so sure of the shorts, but it just wasn't working. And I stayed up till like it was like midnight. I was like, all right, man, F this. I'm not about to hold this short. Cause gold was just it was so annoyingly painful sitting in like a 5 point range last night, the whole night until like London session. I was like, oh my gosh. And so I closed around midnight. And then, I think I fell asleep. I think I dozed off. I woke up probably around 1:30 or whatever. Watched it till about 2 o'clock, and then I saw it dropping and nobody was buying. I was like, oh my goodness. And then before that, like just before that, I had flipped long. I'm like, well, damn, they don't want to drop this thing. They're holding it. Maybe they want to go higher before they drop it. Maybe they want to touch 70 again so so they can drop it. Nope. They're like, bulk enough. We got him.
It's happening.
That's exactly the scenario that happened last night. I was like, you got to be kidding me. It's happening.
People, he went all in. Or bumped it, all right.
Oh no, they were dumping it. I was like, man, this is some bull crap. Cause it hit man, if I would have just held my shorts and it would have hit everything I was looking for, and I'd be up right now. Super up.
Don't you just hate that shit, man? Don't you just hate it when stuff like that just happens? Don't you just hate it? Like, dude, like, ugh.
Yeah, last night was rough, and I should have been like, because I was trying to make a little bit, and I was up at one point like $200. I should have just stopped there, but I was trying to kind of make a little bit to prepare for NY session, but man, It's yeah. Now I'm playing catch up. I'm trying to recover what I lost.
Still on gold. I mean, I was able to catch that pump. Let me look at it again. I was able to catch that pump. Kind of hate micros. I mean, I was in at 30, and I took my last contract off around like I think 60, and all I made was $720 on a 30-point move to the upside. $720.
Shoot. My live accounts would love that right now.
Of course.
I would have loved that right now, but oh, that's so frustrating, man. I was like, how did this happen? It just messed up everything. Now, like I said, that's in the past. I'm trying to
move forward.
Yeah, trying to move forward. Forget about these fumbles, these major fumbles that I had.
Well, I mean, I'm still feeling the effects from it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm still feeling the effects. But what Gold did to me this morning, she almost got put on that same list with CL. Like, I really couldn't believe it, man. I really could. You know, like, dude, it's like that was like probably like the first time where you just get tired. Like, dude, I'm tired, dude. I'm tired of this shit. Tired of it. Tired of this shit, dude. She almost got put on that list.
That is funny.
Like, dude, that screenshot I sent you, I don't know if you looked at it, but dude, she literally bounced one tick before my TP, went to my break even twice, bro, twice. Gets down to my TP again. I'm thinking, okay, I mean, if it bounces here, then I might as well at least just take half of the position or something. You know, I was thinking that shit, but my arm did not move to put my stop into profit at all, because that shit was not going to happen. But I was thinking it, so I'll say that's growth and progression, because before, yeah, I ain't putting shit in profit, but and this is on the funded account too, so this is day 2, and it gets down to the TP again. It bounces again at the one tick, and I'm sitting here thinking, dude, I don't know, man. I don't know, and I'm gonna show you where it's at, because you got to understand. I don't know if you're looking at the stream right now, but you got to understand what I was going through, because I was like, dude, no fucking way. Oh, this is silver. My bad. This is silver. You know, I stay on silver, baby. Where is it at? Because my TP was at damn, where the hell is it at? Yeah, I don't know. And then the market proceeds to dump after traumatizing me the way it just did. Yeah, okay, it's right here. It's like, okay, he didn't fold this time. We'll get him next time. He didn't fold. So my TP was right here, dude, at 64.9. 64.9. So you can, and I was in right here. It gets down. I'm like, okay, my target should get hit. I get my oatmeal ready. I come back and see that it misses my damn TP by a tick, goes all the way to my break even. And at that point, I'm thinking to myself, well, I don't know what I did to deserve that shit, but I didn't deserve it. Yo, good morning, everybody. I ain't deserve that shit. I ain't deserve that. This thing bounced all like, dude, perfect entry all the way to my break even. Then it double tops at my break even. I'm like, man. And then you see how it proceeds to chop right back down. So I'm thinking, okay, this is Gold's time for redemption right here. This is her time to redeem herself for that foolishness that she did. And then she does it again. I'm like, okay, all right. All right, man. All right. And this is when I was thinking to myself, man, just put it, you know, at least pay yourself in this position. And I was like, okay, I hear what you're saying. I hear what you're saying, bro. I hear what you're saying. And then it gets down to the TP again, Smith. When I say that gold, Bogdanov, who his cousin, whoever, was tested my resolve. Look at that. I want y'all to see this shit. Look at these candles right here.
Tested your resolve.
Look at these candles bouncing at my TP before it finally hits it. I'm like, dude, there's no freaking way that this is real right now. There is no way. This is not even a significant level for me to be even experience any of this bullshit right now. There is no significance at this level, man, for me to be experiencing that shit. And then gold finally hits my TP. It then if I got angry and said no, this target ain't good enough, it would have came all the way back to my break even, and then I would have gotten paid. But my freaking God, dude. And through all that pain, all that made was $430. All that pain for $430, dude. I'm still feeling the effects of that shit right now. Piss me off, man.
Yeah. Yeah, I can relate, because I tell you, she was moving like a senior citizen. I looked, she was in a 5-point range for like 3 hours. I was like, what did I just get myself into? Like, no way. No way. And then I was like, well, like, damn it, they're not gonna take it lower. Let me flip long. I threw out all my short convictions because I just knew they were gonna hit my level.
Mm-hmm.
I just knew it.
Yep.
But nope. I was like, man, all right, fine. Fine.
You gonna do me like that?
You want me to go on? Fine. Fine. Then she proceeds to hit everything I was looking for. I was like, oh my gosh.
Mm-hmm.
No freaking way. Ah, man.
Gold, man. People say, how do you blow your accounts on gold? It's not the price action. I'll tell you that right now. It's not the price action that's going to blow your account. Well, I guess technically it is. It's going to be the bullshit, the emotional turmoil that she puts you through. When you say, all right, fine, I'm full porting. I'm going long when I should go short. Fuck it. Bogdanov.
Yeah.
It's happening.
It's happening. It's happening.
It's happening. He bought. He went all in. Because we just don't want his money. We want his peace and his happiness.
They get that call, they so excited. It's happening. Look it up.
Oh my God, dude. Oh man. Oh my God. Oh, so last night we found out that Tory Trades' trend line strategy on platinum actually works. Actually, as crazy as that fucking sounds.
Oh, really?
Yeah, dude. Like, if you bought at this trend line on platinum, bro, like, you got paid, bro. There's no fuck. Like, dude, that's literally just a trend line. And all you had to do was trade at the trend line. You got paid, man. It's crazy. Crazy.
So for 1,999, I could take, you telling me I could take that trendline course and be successful in platinum?
Yep.
Huh. I'll have to look into that.
Yeah, dude. Crazy, man. Crazy.
See, do they got micro? They got micro platinum?
I don't think so. Because it's like
probably not. Yeah.
It's like $5 a tick, so it's not expensive. That's less than gold.
You see, what's the margins? The margins on it. Yeah, so I say all that to say, like, I have been through a bunch of turmoil last night, like you said, a bunch of emotional turmoil, and mistakes were made. And I even on that drop, I was like, all right, this is your buy zone. What are you gonna do? And then it just proceeds to pump 1,000,000 points. I'm like, no, wait.
No,
This is my zone. Wait.
come back,
Come back.
please.
No, she don't listen. She don't listen to none of that. She just left. I was like, man. Let me go.
If I can get out,
Please come back. Please.
please. Oh.
Dang, but you need $2,000 just to trade it. Just for one
Oh,
contract.
platinum?
Yeah. Your day margin.
That's crazy. For what? It's like $5 a tick, and it don't do nothing crazy from what I'm looking at.
That's what they want on Trade-Evade. They want you to have $2,000. I guess maybe it gets crazy at times. Maybe it's like CL potential where, you know, CL's pretty boring, but at the right times or wrong times, depending on which side you're on, it can get crazy.
Well, let me see. I'm thinking about going long on silver. I probably might only just take one trade on silver today, because honestly, man.
Yeah, palladium's the same way.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, $2,000. Oh, but that's where I got it mixed up, sure. Palladium is $50 a tick.
Damn.
Eesh.
$50 a tick, huh?
$50. I knew I saw that somewhere. It's in the metals, of course. $50 a tick.
Metals. He's a metals trader. I mean, out of all the metals, obviously gold is like the darling. It's the one that moves closest to the indices. Silver, it has. I'm starting to see that silver. It has its days where it just be doing shit, and it's like, all right, where's the rhyme and reason to why you just did that shit? Like why?
Yeah.
You think you figured silver it out? Nope. And honestly, sometimes with silver, I don't know how to really measure it. Like, I don't know how I should measure it. I don't know if I should measure from top to bottom. I don't know if I should measure it from the top and like from the swings. I don't know sometimes with silver.
Yeah.
I'm looking for a breakout and then trying to trade the pullback, but
See, I just removed my limit in. That would have been perfect. Limit at the bottom on this move here. But now I got, see, the initial trauma makes you have trust issues afterwards.
yeah.
Going forward. So now I can't even trust myself. I move my limit down further because I'm like, damn. But that would have been a perfect limit in at the bottom of this move, just for it to pump right back up. I'm just trying to get back to break even.
I just want my break even back. Oh shit, I blew that. Actually, Quantower is actually pretty. For whatever reason, I like Quantower. For whatever reason, it's kind of stupid to set up, but once you get past all the stupidness, Quantower is actually pretty nice. Have you traded with Quantower yet? Oh yeah, you have. Yeah, you have.
Yeah, I've tried it before in the past. You're right. It is stupid setting it up. It's pissing me off trying to set that mess up, but yeah, it's straight.
All right, let's see. All right, so let's see. Let's see if we can find a trade for our boy Smith. Let's see, and then we can bump heads and see. We'll come to a conclusion. So right now, the market is. I mean, even though it's bearish, if you look towards the left, it is still bullish. Still bullish. It hasn't broke past 330. So if you're going to be looking for shorts, then they would have to be kind of short-lived, or you have to find the exact top because you'll get squeezed. I think the safest area to potentially short is probably 390. 390 is probably the safest place to short, and that's probably the bull's current objective right now. We got a high at I think yesterday's high was where's that shit at? Yeah, yesterday's high was 367. Or was that yesterday's high? No, it wasn't. It was 8383 was yesterday's high. Or 381 or 383.1. Yesterday's high. And then they rejected it at 799 all this morning, so they got all that liquidity engineered above that high. We all know that the bulls are going to fail to break out. We already know this. I mean, that's the one thing that you can trust on metals, the failed breakout. I mean, they always fail to break out. I don't ever trust a breakout. I'm always going to fade it.
Yeah, that's very true. They love to fail. They relish it.
I've seen it with my own eyes.
Oh, what's this? A breakout?
We don't know what to do here.
Like, oh, I need an adult. Help. Bro, all that momentum to the upside that you just give up at the highs. Like, what are y'all doing? Help.
Well, I mean, I guess. I mean, they did reject from that area. They did reject from 368, and that was a nice, at least a 10-12 point move down, but then they held it. They held that.
All effed up. Just trying to get my money back.
You can't handle getting your money back.
You can't handle the truth. Yeah, now I'm looking at the indices going stupid. Like, yeah. I'm over here fooling around with these metals.
I mean, yeah. If I can trust, a lot of my trust issues come from the Nasdaq.
Yeah.
I just hate the fact that now that I'm getting over my trust issues, now the market want to change up. Like, I just hate that. I just hate the idea of that. Just hate that. I think somebody was talking about Elon Musk made what 168 billion. Oh yeah, because SpaceX is potentially going public, so Tesla actually shot up. Forgot about that. Yeah, Tesla. Oh, Tesla ain't. God damn.
Yeah, you see what they want their They trying to get their valuation to 1.5 trillion. I'm like, what? Why would you? I'm like, that's bad for. I think that's bad for business.
Why you say that?
Like, get your valuation lower. At first, it was like 800 billion.
Mhm.
I'm like, even that's kind of high, but you want to IPO at like 1.5 trillion valuation. I'm like, work your way up to that. You know, you're it's gonna pump up to that eventually. But if you start out too high, everybody's gonna dump their shares.
Yeah.
All the holders that's been riding and holding that their shares are gonna dump.
Dump it.
We know how IPOs get. They just get retail liquidity in there and leave them holding the bag. They dump it on retail.
Yeah, why does that shit continuously happens and people still do the same shit? Like, why?
Yeah, it's like every single time. And you left holding the bag at like $400 a share or whatever.
You're never getting out of these.
All the insiders. Yeah. At that point, you got to be committed. It's like we ride until death with these because like I'm not selling. Like, yeah, it's been 10 years and I'm finally at break even.
And you know they're gonna sell that. Like, dude, it's like if you've been down for 4 years, you know as soon as you get break even, you know you selling that shit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, it's interesting that they want that valuation. It's not like, well, I'm saying this with a grain of salt, guys. I'm saying this. I mean, anyway. It's not like they're taking trips to the moon yet. So I can understand that valuation if you have rockets blasting into outer space and landing on a moon and having already existing infrastructure there. Which is crazy that anyway. It's crazy that they landed on the moon without existing infrastructure already there. I just think that's crazy. But if they did it before, I guess they can do it again, right? I feel.
Well, another question I have is, if they did do it before, why haven't they done it again? Since way back then, when we got way better technology now than back then.
Yeah, I mean,
but I'm not gonna get into all of that. That's a whole thing. I'm not gonna get into.
And you know, honestly, I kind of have a default way of thinking. If it's not something that I can't prove myself, then I take it with a grain of salt, especially if it's something coming from like the government or something. I understand like stuff like that can, boost morale. It gives people something to dream about. I get that. And if this was like a whole little, what is it, a psyops by the government? If it was, I mean, I can understand why they did it. But I just can't believe that only the United States has record of going to the moon and no other nation has. That's all. That was like the one red flag. Second, there was like no infrastructure. So how the hell did they land on the moon with no infrastructure on there? You can't even land an airplane without existing infrastructure. So how the hell are you gonna land a rocket? That was like the second thing for me. And when they was talking about they had like a radio frequency from the moon coming to Earth and shit, I was like, okay, so this is some bullshit to me, and I'm not gonna 100% believe it. Now, if Elon Musk can get to the moon and prove that he's there, then that $1 trillion valuation, okay, yeah, that's understandable, because now we can start really dreaming, and now we can start probably going to the moon, and then we're gonna go to probably to Mars and all the other planets that is out there in outer space. But until that happens, I definitely agree with you, Smith, because, or maybe that's what they're trying to play on. Maybe there's like, well, yeah, maybe he'll get there one day. I don't know. Maybe that's what they're trying to play on. Maybe.
Yeah, I mean, that's the hopes, and that's what partly what goes into it, and the AI data centers and all this other stuff. I mean, not AI, outer space data centers.
Daddy, can
Oh,
the office can't talk.
yeah, you're right. I know. Um, yeah, they're like, yeah, in the next 5, 10 years, we're gonna be having data centers in space, and because it has the perfect cooling out there in outer space, and then you got the sun using it as energy to power it and all this stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I think partly that goes into it,
School closed.
but you're betting that that's gonna happen.
Mhm.
We're not there yet.
Yeah. Well, like I said, man, I'll believe it when it's tangible. When we start taking trips up there, like, hey, have you want a vacation spot on the moon? Okay, all right, yeah, all right, cool. But until then, honestly, when it comes to stuff like that, I mean, I try not to care. I mean, I guess it's a cool thing to think about, but honestly, I don't care. I mean, it does nothing for me. I'm not the one that's landing on the moon. I'm not on the moon right now. I don't care.
Like that episode of Futurama, like take a trip to the moon.
Yeah.
It's like a theme park.
Futurama is like, dude, that show is really good. I don't know why it's so good. It's rewatchable as hell.
Yeah, it's one of the goated shows.
Yeah, it is, dude. It's surprising that show is the same creators from The Simpsons because, I mean, I'm not saying The Simpsons are bad, but I mean, I guess if you've seen one, you've really seen them all.
Yeah.
Mm. But so I wonder what. Okay, so I mean, if I'm gonna think, obviously they're gonna try to ride they're gonna try to ride this thing as long as possible before people just say, you know what, maybe this is not something that's going to happen anytime soon. So let me just dump my shares on the bag holders, and they'll probably dump it like let's just say they actually come out with that valuation and it's approved, and they said at the IPO. I mean, obviously the real investors, they're already in at like 1 cent or some shit like that, or they're just been given shares and they're just going to sell their IPOs as soon as it goes public. I mean, we all know that, but it's kind of like crypto actually, if you think about it, but I guess I'm not going to go there. But if it does continue to go up, it's going to probably dump at like a space launch or some shit like that. Get people excited. People are going to buy in at the shit. Do I follow my rules here? Do I follow my rules here or what? Do I follow my rules here? So close, man. Do I follow my rules?
Man, she just missed my TP. What's up with the metals, man? Especially gold. I'm so tired of her missing my targets by a couple of ticks.
Yeah, dude.
What the? Now that becomes not good enough.
It's not good enough anymore.
It's not good enough. Dang it.
Okay, I gotta follow my rules here. Oh my god. No, don't make me do it. No, I followed my rules. No.
Leave me alone. See Akira, that meme that they always use. No. All right, I made my money back plus a little bit of profit on that pump. Probably gonna get. I feel like. Nah, I know better. I feel like we can go higher, but
We can get much higher, dude.
I'm gonna. I think I'm just gonna get out here because, man.
Can we get much? Oh man, Silver, are you gonna do me like that?
I'd love to get much higher.
Mm.
But that, like I said, that 5-6 point range was diabolical last night for hours. Hours. And I was just sitting there in front of my screen, like, just like stuck in the deadlights, like just watching the charts, like, yo, what? What is going on? When you're locked in like that for hours, it'll make you question everything. Like, all right, fine. They don't want to drop it. I guess they want to take it higher. They want to take it to 70 and then drop it. All these foolish thoughts come into play. You say fine.
Fine. Well, I mean, I was there. Like Silver had me questioning everything yesterday. Dude, I'm still questioning stuff. Like, damn, does this stuff actually work? Does it actually work? I'm questioning this shit now.
Yeah. Oh, man. Oh man. Dude, look at this. Look at this tissue.
Damn, Investor Z, you said that ES got her teeth out for you? You know, no, I can't do that, man. ES. Sometimes I like looking at ES when the move is made, but man, I hate trading this damn thing, man. Man, I hate trading.
All of that, and I'm up $15. All the hours I put in. I'm up. Oh, I'm sorry, $17 now. Oh my goodness. I mean, it could be worse. I could be negative.
Yep.
I was down $300, bro. Over 300. I was down like 320. And I'm even surprised because it was at that point I was like, well, I'm like, no, we're not letting this die. We're not gonna do it. You know how much it pained me to hit that exit and cancel all button.
Oh man, yeah, dude.
While I was down, that's like beating me up, kicking me while I'm down.
Yeah, dude, yeah.
That was so painful. But I was like, you know what? You can catch another trade. You'll get it back. Being down 320 in a $500 account, yo, that's more than half my account is gone. And now I'm up $20.
I mean, yeah, I mean, you're right. I mean, it could be worse. You could be down. So,
yeah.
Well,
the indices, man. And something told me, like, when I was looking at NQ and ES last night, and I saw that super drop, and then like it was just ranging. I'm like, we're probably gonna get the opposite in NY. It's basing out down here at like 24.9. But no, I was like, well, let me focus on the metals. Let me focus on gold. Something told me, put a limit down there at 24,900 and just hold it.
why didn't you?
I was too focused on gold. I'm like, nah, let me see, because I don't want to be in that BS all day, all night. Because it's not going to do anything until New York. Even London session would be like piss poor now.
Yeah, dude, that's
It used to, like back in the day, a London session. You can get a super, usually a super pump in London. Now it's like nothing.
Like, you get lucky if exactly. You get lucky if you get anything.
Yeah.
Hmm. These are. I mean, I wouldn't do that. I mean, the market is still bullish, though. Oh man, silver. Silver, did you? No, she didn't.
I don't see no options on gold. You have to go out to. I had to go out to the 31st just to see anything.
Really?
Yeah.
Hold on, you talk about on black box stocks?
Yeah.
You say you had to do what?
You see? Oh shit! What the fuck?
What happened? Did gold do something?
That move on gold. Yeah. I don't know what that was, but it scared me.
Oh, you're still in this. Oh, okay. You're still in it. I mean,
Yeah.
bro, it's gonna probably dip before it goes higher. So, because we're at double tops, and this is an unbiased. Okay, yeah, it makes sense. I'm not in hope mode, so we're at a double top, bro. It's gonna probably dip before it goes higher. So if you want to endure the dip.
Endure the pain.
Endure the dip.
Well, now I'm up $2 on the day. You're right.
Silver.
You're right.
Why? Yeah.
Let's look at this. And then on the freaking 2K chart on gold, this is straight V bottom. I'm like, this look like Nasdaq type of, or old school Nasdaq movement. Oh man. Damn it, that is a double top. You don't play around with double tops.
Nope. I think silver's gonna do something that's gonna make me lock my account out because I've followed my rules. Ooh. But I have well, I already lost that account. So I'm thinking, man.
75. I can't believe we haven't broken past 75.
Hey, would you
At least touch 8.
Oh, my bad. Finish your thought. My bad.
Nah, I'm just talking.
Would you trade ES?
I mean, lately, shoot. Yeah, the way it's moving lately. Normally don't look at ES like that, but it's been on point.
Yeah.
Actually moving. Like you said, sometimes better than NQ.
I've been thinking about this, and maybe, hey, investors, if you might have to share the same girl, man. I'll get her on the weekends. Shit, that's all I need her for.
With the same girl. The same girl. Hey, R. Kelly and Usher.
That's actually a great duo. I'm surprised they didn't Bing collab. I'm surprised. So that's crazy that they didn't. Well, I guess that was during the era where every artist existed in their own universe, but now you get so much collabs. It's kind of unheard of for artists to not collab now.
Yeah.
Usher and
did you see?
Go ahead.
Did you hear the story behind it?
What? No, I didn't.
You gotta search it on YouTube. It's the producer talks about it. Basically, he was like, Usher came in, did his verse, and then R. Kelly was like, nah, F that, nah. The song almost didn't happen. He was like, and then he asked the producer, he's like, I'm king of R&B. You think Usher could take my girl? My B? He's like, nah, man, you got it. He's like, who's the king of R&B? He's like, you are. You think Usher could take my beat? That was funny. And then they made it so that, okay, when they did the video, they're messing with twins or whatever. But that was his compromise. He's like, nah. And then Usher was like, I'm not changing my verse. Like, you think Usher could take my beat? I'm King R&B. I'm like, dang, that is too funny. The egos of them.
Yeah. Usher ain't gonna take my bitch. Nah.
Because I mean, back then, yeah, he was on top. I mean, they both kind of were in their own lanes.
Mhm.
But yeah, the behind the scenes stuff. The story is funny as heck.
And now I gotta look at it. He's like, "Hey, Usher could take my bitch."
Yeah, you gotta search that up on YouTube.
I mean, the reason why I asked if you would trade ES is that, man, I was doing this extensive research over the weekend, and all that, like, dude, when I say that all the tools are designed specifically for the ES and they work perfectly on the ES, just know that that is not an over exaggeration. Every tool is for the ES, every single thing. The footprint charts, the heat maps, the measured moves, the Camarilla pivots, you can trust it. Everything is for the ES. I mean, I guess if you look at an ES chart and just look at the pivots, I mean, you can see, like, look at R4. It should just basically rejects at R4.
Yeah.
On support around S1. Support at R2. Support at R. Like, I mean, the ES, man, it's just. But it just moves so damn slow. It's not exciting, man. I just hate it. It's not exciting. And the chopping would kill me, man. Oh, this chop would kill me.
Yeah.
I couldn't.
Your hands too. Yeah. Yeah, no, I could see that.
You know what? You're right, Investor Z. Look at ES. ES is trash, huh? Yeah, so the footprint chart on Quantower is actually pretty decent. It's actually pretty decent. Let's look at that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, dude, it's they have like the Delta footprint chart. Actually, let's look at it on the NQ real quick. Let's look at it. I mean, shit, the market is not necessarily moving like that right now. Let's look at how it looks on the NQ chart. I mean, I just need rhyme and I need reason. I need to understand why the market is doing something. Just if the market is just running liquidity just to do it, I have no interest in that. I wonder why it's not only. Actually, let's do this. All right, so these footprint charts. You see how the order book for the Nasdaq is just so light? It's like this on silver, gold. Like, there is like no orders. Like, this shit is so freaking light. I don't know how anybody can sit here and use this tool on anything other than the ES. Like, I really don't.
Oh, that's what is. Why it look like that? That's for NQ.
I haven't set it up yet.
Oh,
Double volume. Look at Delta. histogram. Oh, is it our volume? And then delta.
If you like
It's not showing the put on a 5-minute. Actually, why does it look like that? It's not showing like or maybe I gotta dig deep into it. Okay, there's the numbers. I was like, dude, where's the numbers at? All right. Yeah, like you see like how with the footprint chart on the Nasdaq, you see like how light this shit is. Maybe I just need to. All right, Quant Tower. Actually, let me just play around with this thing real quick and then get it set up. Let me just play around with this. This thing is being stupid now.
Ah, good old Quan Tower, huh?
All right, now this thing is being stupid. And like I said, the only thing that kind of pisses me off about Quant Tower is just that it's sometimes just like, dude, like what are you doing? Like, why are you doing this? All right, CME.
Yeah.
Look at the ES real quick. Actually, I might be on the wrong contract. I might be December's. So you're looking at Motorwave. What's up, Tony Gold?
Keep projecting the 399 gamma. Now gold.
Yeah, I kind of figured that we was gonna get that
94. Yeah, so when I initially set up the trade syncer copier, it is funny because it did lose connection like once, but it was almost like it was real early into it when I first set it up, but then it hasn't lost connection since then.
I think I might
So I'm like, yeah.
stuff going on. Is that what?
Like, yeah, wait till I create my own, but free.
This man loves pain. You already know. You already know what to expect. Especially from which AI tool actually got you to where you needed to be at with your
With the journal,
mhm.
GPT,
ChatGPT?
Chat GPT, because like I said, when I was stuck, I tried using the others and they just made it worse. He gave me wrong. He's like, oh yeah, I see product gave you. let me try this. I'm like, bro, that's not working. Oh. I'm like, you over here talking junk about your competitor, but you giving me crap too.
Mm-hmm. All right.
So I just went back to Chat GPT and was like, look, fix this. Fix it. No, I understand, sir. Please calm down. Like, nah, you need to fix this right now.
Fix this shit. Shit, everything is frozen right now.
Dang it.
The computer is frozen.
Dang it, Bobby.
Maybe I got too much stuff going on right now. Probably gonna force quit. Probably, maybe. Hey, do you guys Streamlabs? Did you switch to the Streamlabs?
I got something integrated with OBS from Streamlabs. I think it's like the subscriber watch or something like that, or comment watch, some type of bot that I don't even know how to set up and use. And I tried to use Streamlabs once when I was going through that, those technical difficulties with OBS, but even that was like, man, I don't know, I'm too used to OBS. It's not, I couldn't get it set up with that, so I'm just like, all right, we'll figure this out.
Yeah.
All right, Gold, it's your time to shine. No pun intended. I wonder. And I wonder. Oh. I just looked at black box stocks. This thing already almost to the 400 level.
On gold?
Yeah. There's really nothing, no more crazy gamma outside of that 400 level. And then now I feel like the futures is lagging behind the ETF. Because remember, I don't know if you remember when we hit 398 or whatever that high was, it was almost at the 400 gamma. And then it fell. Straight rejected that. But now we're almost at the 400 gamma and we're not near, we're barely 370s right now. So I'm like, dang, what's it gonna take to cross over 400 on the future side? Probably gonna need like 402 or something like that, something crazy.
Or the bears just get used for what they're, I guess, used for, which is liquidity. Yeah. My computer is frozen right now. I'm surprised I'm still able to talk to you. Everything else is completely frozen right now.
Oh dang! You got
I'm
too
pretty
many
sure
processes running.
Yeah, probably. I'm looking at the task manager, and right now I have 95% at 95% memory, and I don't even understand why.
Dang.
And my highest process right now is the Microsoft Edge. It's taking up more processing than and memory than NinjaTrader 8, which is crazy to think about. Yeah, dude, it's taking up 8.1% of my CPU and 2,700 megabytes of memory.